Okay, welcome. This is going to be the Shima Hair Repair Shampoo portion, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my shampoo and how it's going to be used, and why we need to infuse protein back into our hair. Well, as women of color, we tend to do all kinds of damaging things to our hair. For example, chemical processing, dyeing our hair, straightening our hair, even the way we comb our hair. It can be extremely damaging when you do not know what you're doing. Okay, so let me stress that. When you do not know what you're doing, chemical processing, hair dyes, putting on texturizers, combing your hair results in serious damage. So keeping that in mind, I created my Shima Hair Repair Shampoo. Okay, it is for mild to seriously damaged hair. Okay, because not all of us go through the extreme of damaging our hair with chemicals and straightening irons, because some of us do know what we're doing. So it's for mild to seriously damaged hair, which means you're going to leave the shampoo on your hair for either 2 minutes or 5 minutes max, and that's all you need, 2 to 5 minutes max. Okay, so yeah, so this works in conjunction with the rest of my products, including my Shima oil, my Shima hairline cream, and I hope you're following my first DVD, which is my Shima Hair Step-by-Step DVD to your fairy tale mythical hair length hair. That's where I teach you how to create the protective styles to accelerate your hair growth. Remember that when we protect the ends of our hair, we keep it hidden away with the hair buns, with the braids, with the French braids. It accelerates our growth because it keeps the ends of our hair away from the damaging drying effects of the air. Okay, so alright, let's basically get started. First things first, I always stress how important it is to detangle your hair before you begin to wash it. Now I have a few combs here I would like to show you ladies. These are what they call wide tooth combs. If you happen to have in your possession any of these combs, that is perfectly fine, okay? Sometimes I like to use these when my hair is completely detangled, because it separates each individual strand perfectly, but that's when your hair is completely detangled. When you're first detangling your hair, use these combs, okay? Wide tooth comb. That goes for you natural ladies as well. Use the wide tooth combs, alright? I'm going to use this one. I kind of like this one more. So what I did was basically pin my hair. Let me turn it around so you can see. I'm going to take out the bobby pin. Just like a small bun. Alright. Now this hair has already been detangled, okay? I'm just going to demonstrate the hair comb. Alright, always from the ends on up. Remember that the ends is the most fragile portion of our hair. Anything will break it, okay? Treat your hair like a newborn baby. Very, very delicately, okay? Every inch that you can preserve is vital, okay? Our hair grows half an inch per month. It is vital that we preserve those half an inches per month. Do every step that I explained so you can achieve the hair length goal of your dreams, okay? So let's go. Right. Now I detangled with my fingers first, okay, and that portion has been shown to you. Alright. Okay, now you see how simple that was? That's because I pre-detangled before I even used the hair comb. It is important that we pre-detangle because our Afro-textured hair is very fragile and it does get tangled very easily. Alright, now the way to use my Shima Hair Repair Shampoo is very simple. I want you to apply it to your hair when it is completely dry. That way it will have the most effect, okay? Put it on completely dry hair. It's like a sponge. The sponge absorbs, when it's dry, it absorbs more. This is what's gonna happen when you put my Shima Hair Repair Shampoo onto your hair. Okay, and the ingredients work in conjunction with my Shima oil ingredients and Shima hairline cream ingredients to wipe out hair dryness, the black woman's #1 enemy, the reason why there's so much breakage. Okay, now section your hair. I have bobby pins to section. You can use your jaw clips, but I don't know, I'm kind of more handy with the bobby pins. So let's section the portion of the hair that we're going to apply the shampoo to. Okay. Alright, notice that I'm using the smaller comb, but it's still wide tooth. Now we're going to pin up the rest of the hair that we are not working on. Gonna make another little hair bun here. Alright, let me get closer. Alright. Let's see. Okay. So here's the shampoo. Click down, this goes up, and just pour a bit into your palms, your fingers. Okay, this is the color, it's a beautiful pinkish color. Alright, rub and start applying. Just start applying. You will apply as much as you need for the thickness or the fineness of your hair. Okay? It's just common sense. But make sure you saturate all of your hair, because this is a protein treatment for your chemically damaged hair, or for hair that's just mild to seriously damaged. Okay. I always start from the ends on up. Make sure you focus most of the product on the ends, alright? And then for the bulk of your hair. Okay, so I do a little twisty thing. My hair is super long, so I get kind of creative with the twisty thing. But as long as it's twisted up and out of the way, so you can work on the other sections. Okay. All right.